to pull some metal posts out of the ground with this truck. Should have done this with the excavator the other day, but we're just going to drag these out in a series with this truck. But when I was trying to film this video, between all the traffic, it ran out of gas, so I just had to put a little gas. Yeah, I guess that 16 to 1 two-stroke oil I filled the bowls with kind of fouled the plugs out. Made it run a little rich. The bit I spilled down the throat kind of flooded on me. Let her sit about 10-15 minutes, gave her a little shot of starting fluid, and she started up. So, nothing like a self-induced problem. That really was the only one of those that was concreted in any decent. So let's take this thing for a little drive. Here, let me take care of this dingy ass whopper. I need to tighten this thing up a little bit. But anyway, we got 5 out of 6 poles pulled out. I'll pull the last one out at a later date. So take this thing for a drive real quick. This is going to be a gate right here. Oh, this is going to be a gate right here. I don't think that the quadra-track transfer case is working in this thing. Something's going on. The front end doesn't appear to be pulling anything quite like that, so, and it got a pretty good pop in the front end every time you put it in gear, so it's definitely got a U-joint that ain't no good somewhere. If it is, put power in the front end. You can't get it to spin a front wheel, that's for sure. So anyway, there we go. We got some metal poles pulled out of the ground with our project truck. Y'all have a good one. Thank you for watching.